This is ProKidney on the monthly chart, and the past 3 months, price has just been in a straight downward trajectory. You can see that around that $6, $7 level, it once served as support, but that's no longer the case. So let's get into the news as to why prices are down so far, and at the end of the video, we're going to get into a price target. So shares of ProKidney are in the green today. This is an article coming out from the other day. Despite recent sales from SPAC sponsor Chamath Palihapitiya, we'll just call him Chamath. Back in July of 2022, ProKidney agreed to merge with Social Capital in a business combination valued at $2.64 billion. Since then, shares of ProKidney stock has plummeted by 70%, and this year alone, year to date, the stock is off 60%. Meanwhile, Chamath recently unloaded a large chunk of the chronic kidney disease treatment company. About a week ago, he sold off almost 500,000 shares at an average price between $2.63 and $3.84. However, on the bright side, he still owns roughly 14 million shares. Now, this wasn't the only time he sold. Earlier this month, he sold 277,000 at an average price of $4.20 and $4.76. And then in mid-September, he sold another almost 2 million shares at around $5.47. So you see the trend? He's the cause of why the stock is falling. So Chamath's sales do not convey a strong sense of confidence in the stock, especially given his status as a SPAC sponsor. He was the SPAC king back during the pandemic. Meanwhile, the activity of other insiders hasn't signaled confidence either. So you had a 10% owner. He purchased 4,000 shares back in 2022. Purchased another 7,000 shares around that same time frame. However, today, both of those purchases are severely underwater. Since the SPAC debuted, insiders have purchased $82,000 worth of shares on the open market. On the other hand, insiders have sold off $11 million worth of the stock. So let's talk about the financials. ProKidney remains an unprofitable per revenue company. During the second quarter, net loss before non-controlling interest tallied in at $35 million, up from $22 million year over year. The company's operating expenses also grew to $40 million compared to $20 million in the year ago period. So the message in this video is if you're in, get out. If you're thinking about getting in, don't. Now again, the last 3 months has been red, and on the weekly chart, price formed a sell level. You have weekly buyers. At the weekly sellers at the $475 level. So yesterday on the daily chart, again, we were green the past 2 days, right? Because the price was just oversold. But after this short consolidation, price just collapsed again. And so the charts are suggesting if price can move up to the weekly sellers level, it's opportunity to short it. Look for your target to be at the $1 level in the coming weeks and months. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.